Hello, my dear students. We are going to discuss on the solutions of second chapter, A Gift of Chappals. Hope it will be helpful for you for upcoming exams. We have to discuss on the textual questions. Uh, Let me tell you one thing. Whenever such kind of questions are there in an exam, we need to read the question carefully and then we have to solve the answer. Okay, so never make hurry while solving the questions, and hope we are having multiple type of questions are there now, objective type of questions. So just keep your mind silent, keep your mind very stable, and then read the question carefully, and of course you will solve the paper so nicely to get out of marks. So let's discuss on our question answer session. So first question, that is textual question. What is the secret that Meena shares with Mridu in the backyard? We know that secret. What secret between Mridu and Meena? What was that secret? So to write the answer of such kind of questions, we have to read the question carefully and then answer should be like this one. Meena shared the secret of having a kitten in the backyard. Inside a torn football lined with sacking and filling with the sand, they found him outside the gate in the morning. So that was the answer. So what was the secret? That they had a small kitten which they kept in the backyard. Second question can be asked like that. How does Ravi get milk for the kitten? I repeat the question. How does Ravi get milk for the kitten? So answer should be like this one. For getting milk for the kitten, Ravi told Pati that he is hungry. When she saw him with a glass of milk, Pati got suspicious. Ravi had to drink most of the milk and told Pati that he will wash the tumbler by himself. After that, Ravi ran and poured the milk into coconut shell and then ran back to wash the tumbler before Pati got really suspicious. So he has to make lots of efforts to get the milk for the kitten. Yeah, definitely, because it was not allow them to keep any pet, and if they keep such thing of pet at their home, definitely Pati will leave Padumama's house. That was the reason behind that, why they have to kept it as a secret. Now third question, who does he say the kitten's ancestors are? Do you believe in it? Ravi was very clever. His imagination is, we can't believe on it. So answer for this question, he said that the kitten's ancestors was Mahendrapuram Rishi cat, which was the emblem of Pallava dynasty. At the Mahabalipuram, Rishi cat was descendant of the god or of the cat goddess of Egypt. And for your personal response of time, do you believe in it? No, I don't believe him. Yes, surely that answer should be like that, because it was Ravi's imagination. We know that one after reading the lesson. We have studied it. Next question. Ravi has a lot to say about MP Punai. This shows that, now here are four objectives are given. Among that four objectives, I think these two are the appropriate for the answer. Number second, his knowledge of history is sound. That also we can give the answer. And third one can be also correct answer. He has a rich imagination. As he was thinking about that, definitely we can say that he has a great imagination. Fifth question I'm going to read. What was the noise that startled and frightened Mahendran? That incident we know. She was startled and frightened both at the same time. So that was what voice make him startled and frightened. So answer is the sound of screeching startled Mridu and frightened Mahendran. It was the sound of violin that Lali was learning to play. Ah yes, Lali's violin sound startled and frightened Mahendran. Next question, guys, for you. The music master is making lovely music. Read aloud the sentences in the text that expresses this idea. So some lines were there, which line shows that music master is playing lovely notes. So that some lines are there. See, the music master's notes seem to float up and settle perfectly into the invisible tracks of the melody. It was like the wheels of a train feeding smoothly into the rails and whistling along. That is the one line. And second one, this sentence in the text that expresses the idea that music master is running lovely notes means his violin is moving like a railing on the track. Means train was on track and it makes lovely music, whereas contradictory derailing sound of Lali's violin. Yeah. Second question, had the baker come to Rukmini's house for the first time? Obviously answer is no. Give reasons for your answer. So answer is no. He hadn't come first time. The beggar had not come Rukmini's house for the first time because Pati said to Tapi that he had been coming in the house every day for the past week and it's time to found him another house to beg for. From this line we come to know the beggar did not come for the first time at Rukmini's house. Third question, a sharp V-shaped like had formed between her eyebrows. You know where that V-shaped mark or shape has been formed. What does it suggest? And do you think or do you think about Rukmini's mood? What do you think about Rukmini's mood? V-shaped mark, Rukmini's face. Ah yes. So the answer would be V-shaped eyebrows is formed only when people are in anger. Yes, obviously. It shows that she is very angry. This suggests that Rukmini was very angry in mood when she came to know about the missing chappals of music master or music teacher. So V-shaped mark shows that when people are very angry. Yes, obviously. Next. Question number. Next. Some lines had been given and we have to fill the lines or we have to complete the lines. See, Ravi compares Lali's playing the violin to. So you know that one Ravi's opinion about Lali's playing violin is a derailing of the train going completely off the track. Second one, trying to hide beneath the tray of chilies, Mahendran, complete the lines, tipped a few chilies over himself. Yes, students, such kind of questions I think so cannot be asked in exam, but for our comprehension type of understanding, such questions we have to solve. Third one, the teacher played a few notes of his violin and Lali, yes of course Lali stumbled behind him on her violin which looked quite helpless and unhappy in her hands, surely. Fourth one, the beggar said that the kind of ladies of the household obviously kept his body and soul together on their generosity for a whole week. He couldn't believe that they would turn him away. Next one, last fifth. After the lesson was over, the music teacher asked Lali if she had seen his chappals. Next. Now, music master. Describe the music teacher as seen from the window. What is your opinion about music master's appearance? Such kind of question also can ask. Means they can turn the question, but answer should be the same. Music master's appearance. So answer is as seen from the window. Music teacher had the bony figure. Number one, he had a bony figure. He had mostly bald head. You know bald head with a fringe of oil black hair falling around his ears and old fashioned tuft. A gold chain gleamed. A gold chain gleamed around his leathery neck and a diamond ring glittered on his hand as it glided up. And down the string of the violin, a large foot stuck out from beneath his gold bordered vesty edge, and he was beating time on the floor with the scrawny big toes. Yes, it was appearance and how he was playing. That completely we have discussed about his diamond ring, his gold chain, his appearance, his wearing, and everything should be there. Next one, what makes Mridu conclude that the beggar has no money to buy chappals? So Mridu, how did she come to know? Conclude means she understood. What is her opinion? Such kind of question can be asked. So Mridu conclude that the beggar had no money to buy chappal because his feet were blistered. By seeing the blister on his foot, she come to know or she conclude that he didn't have money to buy chappals. Second, what does she suggest to show her concern? Mridu's question it was. So what does she suggest to show her concern? She suggests Mridu and Ravi about the pair of old slippers so that they could give it to the beggar. So it was her concern that definitely will help him to give the old chappals. So that was her concern. Next question, have you children? Have you children? She began, and then seeing they were curiously quiet, went or more slowly, seen anyone lurking around the veranda. By this statement, what does it implies or what does it suggest? Number one, what do you think Rukumini really wanted to ask? Can you believe that? What does she really want to suggest? See, Rukumini actually wanted to ask the children if they had seen the music master's slippers. For that answer. Second one, why did she change her question? Suddenly she changed her question. She changed her question because children were curiously quiet and she suspects that children must have done something with chappals. Her own opinion, just because of her children's behavior, she come to know something had happened wrong. That's why she changed the question. Next question, what did she think had happened? Yes, she thought that the children have given the music master's chappals to that old beggar. Mother knows everything. We know that one. Next one. On getting Gopu Mama's chappals, the music teacher tried not to look too happy. Why? Why he didn't want to show his happiness after getting Gopu Mama's chappal? See, the music teacher tried not to look too happy because he did not want it to reveal his happiness of getting new chappals of Gopu Mama to others. He wanted to show that his own chappals were more expensive and branded one, Actually, he was very happy after getting Gopu Mama's chappal. That was hidden excitement and happiness, we can say. But he don't want to show that his happiness. Next question. On getting Gopu Mama's chappals, the beggar vanished in a minute. Why was he in such a hurry to leave? On getting a gift of chappals, the beggar vanished in a minute because he did not want to lose the gift of chappals. His feet were blistered and he could not have got anything better from that house. So that is the answer. Next question, guys. Walking towards the kitchen with Mridu and Meena, Rukmini began to laugh. What made her laugh? Yes, that is the most important question, and that is the comical part of that lesson. Gopu Mama, always in such a hurry to throw off his shoes and socks and get into his chappals as soon as he come home. Rukmini began to laugh while thinking about the reaction of her husband after hearing this incident, and when he came to know about that they had given his new chappals to the music teacher. That's why she started to laugh. Hope, guys, these solutions will definitely help you to solve the paper nicely. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you. Thanks a lot.